The National Highways Community Trees Programme is a partnership between National Highways, Greenwood Plants and the Tree Council, finding homes for hundreds of thousands of trees by 2030. This programme benefits communities and biodiversity by donating thousands of UK-grown peat-free trees each year to conservation charities, community groups, local authorities and other landowners. Thanks to the partnership, native species of trees, orchards and hedgerows are being planted in rural and urban locations where they can thrive and capture carbon, provide homes for precious wildlife and lift our spirits. We hope you will enjoy this story from one of the communities at the heart of the partnership.
This is our land, it belongs to the local community, so it's Town Council Recreation Ground. And we've been really keen to get involved with the National Highways 3M scheme. They're working with the Tree Council, and it's been such a great opportunity to get more trees in the ground, which is something the Council's very keen to do as part of our climate strategy. And as you might be able to hear in the background, you can hear traffic noise. We've got the A3, that side. We've got a major road coming off the A3, the Winchester Road, coming into Petersfield. We've got another road down here, Bell Hill. We're using the trees to thicken up the hedges that we've got here. We know we've got hedgehogs on site. We've got quite a few hedgerows gone in over the last 2 planting days. So that's to improve the hedgehog habitat. We're improving the wildlife corridor so they can move through more easily. And of course that helps birds and insects as well.
Today we're planting mainly hazel, Coriolis avellana. It's going to be a life for many of our little animals. I like to say dormice if we can actually get them attracted to this new planting area. Hazel is their homeland and they've got to stay above ground, so they've got to reach one hazel plant to the next hazel plant without having to walk on the ground. Trees give so much of joy. I used to draw them as an artist, and I used the wood as a craftsman, and I study the nature that's in these trees. It supports hundreds of ecology. It's not just birds, not just insects, it supports other plants upon plant. And the amount of planting we're doing is going to benefit years to come. Because what's in at the ground level, no more than half a body height, is something which we can hope for in 50 to 100 years, benefiting those of that time.
I'm a trustee of Petersfield Climate Action Network, and as part of the community of Petersfield as an organisation, we're very involved with the Town Council in an initiative to plant more trees across all the public open space in the town. It benefits the community because access to nature has been shown to be an important driver in mental health, and it's a target across the country for the NHS as well as groups like ours that more people should be introduced to nature. So the wildlife will benefit from this planting because we've planted only native species such as hazel, which not only have the earliest pollen of the year in terms of their catkins, but also bear nuts later in the year. So great foraging plant for wildlife.
So I'm Helen, I'm a local resident in Petersfield. I've been in Petersfield for about 7 years and found out about the Community Planting Day and just thought it was a great opportunity to come and get involved. I think tree planting, trees in general are really good for our health, our mental health, and also for biodiversity. So it's been a beautiful morning. It's been a lovely day to get outside and just do something with other volunteers, do something really positive.
Yeah, so being here today as a family it sort of brings us together a bit more. It's good being out on a nice sunny day as it is today. There's a good sense of achievement once we've planted the trees, and we can come back year after year to see these trees grow and be part of the community. Definitely encourage anyone to come down and plant trees. It's a great sort of satisfying feeling at the end of the day, and you can just come back and see them grow over the years.
My name's Paul and I'm a tree warden. new to the game. I've been a tree warden for the last year, so I'm learning, and the reason why I'm here today is obviously to help the tree planting scheme for Petersfield. Yeah, I became a tree warden because I wanted to help the environment. I can see trees dying, we need more trees. Today I've been mainly clearing hedgerows in preparation for the planting. I've done some mulching, so all the heavy spade work I've left to the younger lads.
We've lived here in Petersfield for nearly 20 years and we love the natural surroundings, so any chance we can to contribute to that, we like to take it. We just really love being part of the community. We really enjoy getting the opportunity to come out and contribute and plant trees. It's fantastic for my son who's 15 and loves nature, and really just a chance to get out and meet some people and do something positive for the community. And what we love about planting trees is that we're creating woodlands for the future, and it's just a wonderful thing to think about other families coming out in the future and enjoying, sitting under some of these trees that we've planted, enjoying the color and the foliage, and yeah, just coming together. I think just being around trees, it makes people feel good. It makes us feel good. And just the thought that we're sharing that with future generations, it's sort of an act of hope and faith, isn't it? Planting a tree that you might not see fully grown at some point, but knowing that somebody else will. And that's something we really love to do, is, to contribute to.